In this ukulele video, we're going to continue with our practice tips. This one is simply entitled Wrist. All right. Yes, this one's going to be a fun one. Welcome. I'm Terry Carter, and this is ukelikethepros. If you are new to the channel or haven't done so, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. All right, so we've been doing this series of practice tips, and we got some really good ones. These are just short little nuggets, short little videos that we're going to give you a tip that you can apply to your playing. It doesn't really matter what you do. This one is going to be really focused on more of a strumming thing. Although, yeah, really more strumming, and this is your wrist. This is especially when you're strumming. This is a common thing I see, especially with beginners, is everything is too stiff. Okay, so when you're strumming, you're doing this. If you notice, I'm strumming from my elbow and keeping that wrist really tight, and it affects the sound. It also affects the ability to you to play fast. You can't go fast doing this as you can do when you loosen up that wrist. Okay, so all this is about is right here, this wrist motion. You got to loosen it up. It's got to be relaxed too. And so that way, it also helps with that finger as it glides over that string. It gives it a really nice mellow sound too. Sometimes when we use the elbow, it sounds really stiff. So anyway, this is what I want you to practice on. When you're strumming, it doesn't matter if you're just doing like the island strum, the grande strum. I want you to focus on loosening that wrist a little bit and doing that really nice motion. And then as you speed it up, then you'll be able to do that, no problem, just like a pro.